Ingat siya sa counter kasi maganda rin.
From Hardstone Boxing Gym of Bangar, La Union, ladies and gentlemen, Raymond Bankia. Introducing Bimboy Ibunes.
Again, it's their third fight, pupugan sa Abra. Solid North Sports Promotion. Round number 1, ito pong si Ibunes ang naka-blue in red and na-black si Banquiao.
And southpaw dito si Banquiao and orthodox itong si Ibones. Makikita mo na naman dito yung polar opposites. Sana walang headbutts dito. And tingnan natin, mukhang nakakonect doon ng isang right straight si Ibones. And maganda ang fundamentals ni Ibones. And Banquiao is looking for that power.
Yeah, good right straight right away again. Banquiao south po. Oh, good power shot! It looks like this guy showing power early. Nakakabugbugan na agad sa corner, body shot, matindi. Attorney, ito na.
Oo.
Parang gusto
mukhang
yung impress yun
Yes, pero nakaganti doon si Banquiao ng isang right hook to the body ni Ibones. Medyo nag-alangan si Ibones sandali. Nawala yung kanyang aggressiveness sandali after getting hit to the body by Banquiao. Banquiao is not going anywhere so far.
There we go. It looks like this is going to be a rough and tough fight for both boxers as they try to really hurt right away. Parang baksakan talaga gusto nila.
Oo, tsaka 130 ito pa
Oo nga.
Ito ay considered sa akin parang middleweight sa mga Pilipino
Yes, sir.
ito. And makikita mo rito, itong dalawang boksingero matangkad, malalaki. At pag ito nag-rehydrate, sa tingin ko, abot ito ng 150.
Possible. Look at that. The power.
At saka tingin ko rito, si Ibones is still not pushing his power. Medyo nandun pa yung kanyang amateur background, yung kanyang mga straight, hindi niya dinidiin. Ano yan medyo safety first yan, and Banquiao is trying to time that right.
Yes,
Tingnan natin kung makaka-counter ng matino itong si Banquiao. Pero si Ibones trying to invest in the body. Pero si Banquiao is not. He's a tough customer, Pao.
Yeah. He's trying to move forward. Ito si Ibones trying to show his will talaga. Like this one, ito corner na naman. Expect him to attack. Pero yung counter talaga ang ginagawa nito. No, kailangan mag-stay composed dito si Banquiao kasi minamama siya ng mas mama.
Correct. Mukhang tama yung sinasabi mo. Mukhang mama na itong pro debut natin. 10 seconds, Pao. Tingnan natin itong end of the first.
May ano pa rin, no? Look at that left. End of
Dun
the
sa first round.
It's the third fight. Bulan sa Abra, brought to you by Solid North Sports Promotion. Ibunes versus Banquiao. Second round.
Tingnan natin dito, Pao, kung mag-a-adjust si Banquiao at kung ito bang si Ibones ay ididiin na niya yung kanyang suntok. Kasi it seems na dun sa first round, si Ibones is a safety first pa rin. Binibitawan niya yung kanyang right straight, pero diretso balik siya sa kanyang depensa. Kaya wala masyadong impact.
Pero nakikita ko dito kung timing talaga itong Banquiao. Yan na, nagkakamali na. My goodness, palaban talaga yung dalawa. Ingat siya sa counter kasi maganda rin ang counter dito ni Banquiao. But let's see. The
Yun.
impression of Ibones.
Ito ang sinasabi ko, Pao. This is another 50-50 fight. And makikita mo, yung dalawang boksingero, they are capable of beating the other.
Right. But I think Ibones is kind of medyo nagiging ano siya I don't want to say complacent, pero mas ano na siya, mas umaatake na siya, nasasanay siya na dito sa kalaban niya.
Kasi parang minamama niya kanina si Banquiao sa first round. Tinutulak niya sa corner, tapos binubuli niya. Ngayon si Banquiao, nag-adjust na yung sinasabi ko nga eh. Mas merong one professional fight itong si Bangkeo. So nakapag-adjust si Bangkeo doon as far as the first few seconds of this second round.
Grabe yung mga patama. Pag tumama ng solo dito, magandang kakawasakan.
Yes, magandang palitan yun, Pao. Tumama si Ibones, tumama si Bangkeo. This is a very close round and this is what you call a 50-50 bubugan.
Right. Look at that. They're not only showing the power punches, they're also showing durability kasi tumatanggap din talaga sila ng mga matitinding sapak sa isa't isa.
Yes, at saka tandaan mo yung mga body punches na binibitawan ni Bangkeo may affect Ibones in the later rounds. And pagka ganyan kasi na muscle bound ang boxer, Pao,
Mas madali mapatingin.
mas madali.
Mas maraming oxygen kailangan eh.
Yes. At nahulog yung mouthpiece ni Ibones.
Wala na. Time! Oh.
Makikita mo, okay, the referee knows what to do. So, nahulog lang. It was not intentional. Talagang ganyan. And bibilisan ng referee yan.
There you go.
So, yun Pao, makikita natin, hindi naman yun mahuhulog yung mouthpiece kung hindi tinamaan ng suntok. So, it was a connection by Bangkeo and
Bangkeo,
palitan.
so confidence niya,
Yes,
ma-attack siya dito.
palitan talaga to, Pao. Second round, ito ang tinatawag nating walang itulak kabigin sa Tagalog. Talagang sinasabi natin, ito talaga pantay lang, second round.
Right. Plus, ito talaga, tama-tama, bukbugan. Tapos na.
Affair.
Salamat po sa mga nagko-comment dyan. Pangkiao daw. This is round number 3, Bugbugan Sambra, brought to you by Solid North Sports Promotion. Pangkiao now trying to be aggressive dito sa laban nito.
And Bangkeo is now targeting the body sa left niya, tapos right side sa kanyang, sa ulo naman. Now Bangkeo, mukhang nakahanap na siya ng solusyon dun sa pagiging sabihin na natin mama nitong si Ibones. Mukhang si Bangkeo na ang mama so far, but it is still a nip and tuck contest.
There you go, just like that.
Yes.
Nipping the jaw
Yes.
of Pacquiao. But I like the composure of Pacquiao. Natatamaan
Yes.
siya. He stay composed and he stay focused and he's still trying to come back and counter the shots. Here we go.
Exactly. Yan ang sinasabi ko, Pao, na itong bugbugan sa Abra,
Yes.
ito ang unang-unang big event, and itong tatlong laban natin shows all the ingredients of a quality event. Salamat sa ating promoter, Mayor Glenn Eduarte ng Tayum Abra, supported by Solid North Party List Congresswoman Ching Bernos. Tingnan mo naman, Ibones versus Bangkeo. Ito pa lang, kumbaga third fight pa lang, ulam na.
Walang tulak mabigyan. Very well matched. Just like these two fighters trying to counter each other. Look at that right hook to the jaw by Pacquiao. But ito si Ibones ang nagiging aggressive ngayon.
Ito na naman, no? Binamama na naman ni Ibones si Bangkeo just like what he did in the first round. Tingnan natin kung epektibo ba to? Yes.
Medyo agitated na sabi, let's go, let's go.
Yes.
Look at that right.
Yes. And pagka ito si Bangkeo, Pao, ang takot ko dito is baka siya ay mapagod. Kung sinong unang mapagod dito, medyo mahihirapan towards the second half of this fight.
Correct. That's very important, guy. Four-rounder, yung talaga stamina is a very big factor, just like what's happening right now. Matibay sila pareho.
Yes.
This might go to the stamina of the two fighters.
At saka itong si Bangkeo, parang binibigyan lang niya ng kumpiyansa si Ibones, tapos biglang mag-open up si Ibones, bibitaw si Bangkeo ng kanyang right hook out of nowhere.
That shows composure. Yes, like that. The crowd erupted with the counter shot, attorney. I like it.
Yes! Left straight by Bangkeo. A stronger hand ni Bangkeo. Ito ay bugbugan. Wala ka talagang pipiliin dito. This is the best fight so far. Tinamaan si Ibones. Hindi na natin marinig yung bell.
But round number 4, it looks like the momentum kind of going Bangkao way. Let's see what
Wow.
happens.
Ayoko nang manghula rito. Dun sa first fight natin, nakahula ako. But I'm not trying my luck anymore.
Alright.
Dito sa laban.
Let's not push it.
Let's not push our luck. And ito na, fourth and final round. Kung sinong makapagpakita rito ng maganda, mukhang yun na yung mananalo. Both fighters have the skills. Execute mo lang yung game plan mo, ikaw mananalo.
Ito na, si Bonus trying to push again.
Medyo, itong si Bangkiao Pao, what can I say? He is an awkward fighter. Bigla na lang siyang bumibitaw ng mga hooks out of nowhere. Ito naman si Down.
Oh! That's a slip. Okay, that's a slip now. That was a slip.
So the referee called it a slip. There was no knockdown. Mukhang natulak lang si Bangkiao, pero tinamaan din siya ng kanan doon. Pareho silang nasaktan doon. Ito, medyo mahihirapan ang ating 3 judges dito. At any decision, I think, will be deserving kasi enjoy na enjoy yung mga tao. I don't want to be a judge in this kind of fight.
I think parang kulang yata yung 4 rounds sa mangyayari. But let's see. Ito si Ibones, no? Nakakaramdam siya na parang kailangan niya saktan talaga. Talagang pinupush niya na din, no?
Tsaka-
Magkaso looking for that counter, no?
Tsaka parang yung crowd favorite si Bangkiao.
Parang
Yun ang
mas malapit
nakikita
siya dito,
natin.
taga dito yata si
Oo, mukhang si Bangkiao I think he's from the solid north if I'm not mistaken. Kaya marami siyang fans. Pag siyang nakatama, mas malakas yung sigaw ng mga tao. Pag nakatama si Ibones, yung corner lang niya yung sumisigaw.
Marami naman yung corner niya.
Yeah.
Here we go. Ano ko, muurong dito si Pacquiao.
Oo.
Hurt! Counter pa talaga.
Yun ang awkward eh. Medyo napakagandang laban. Two contrasting styles again. Ibones with his volume and Bangkiao with the timing and the awkward hooks.
Medyo invested na rin yung crowd natin dito sa laban na ito.
Exactly.
They're feeling every punches, especially dito coming from Pacquiao.
Final round na ito, Pao. Mukhang yung dalawang boksingero, medyo wary sila na baka makuha ng isa. Kaya kita mo talaga parang they're looking at the eye of the opponent. At nakatama na naman si Bangkiao doon. Maingay talaga yung crowd.
You're right. Every time na nakakatama ng medyo solid ito.
Oo!
At 10 seconds. Let's see what happened. Give it all they got. The crowd saying, let's go, let's go. And
Wow. That was a fight. Maraming pumapalakpak.
By unanimous decision, Beanboy is